Hi investors, in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy NFT art finance, but the good thing is that this process could be applied to any token, any coins whatsoever. So let's get straight into it. So to start with, you need first of all a Trust Wallet account and to be installed on your mobile. And then you need CoinMarketCap, and the last one, it is optional, but you could have a Binance account. And so the first thing that you have to do is to download the Trust Wallet. And as I told you, first of all, you have this app open, and there are two things that you have to worry about. The first one is to buy BNB, the Binance coin. And the second one is how to do it. The first one is straight through the Trust Wallet. And so you would just press the buy button and you would select BNB. And as you can see, the minimum amount, and actually you cannot see it, but the minimum amount is $50, which is quite high. The second option is to buy through Binance. Now, if you want to buy NFT art finance straight away, that would take a little bit of time to be confirmed and ready to go. But if you just want to have even your Binance account, then just go ahead and use the link in the description below, because that link gives you 10% off all the trading fees. So when you buy and sell Binance coin and everything that you buy on Binance. Now, once you have your BNB coin, the second thing that you have to do is to transform it into Smart Chain, which is basically a different type of coin that comes from BNB. And so you would want to go on BNB, select it through the wallet, through the Trust Wallet as I just did, click on More, and then swap to Smart Chain. You just select it. Now at this time I have almost nothing to swap, but you would select 75% because there is a little transaction fee, like $2 I think for the transaction, for swapping. And then you click on swap and you confirm it. You see $2.54 and it says that I have an insufficient BNB, but that's the way you do it. And once you finally do that, you will have Smart Chain, and in this case I have $5.79 of Smart Chain. Now once you have Smart Chain, the second thing that you have to do is to get the contract address. And as I told you at the beginning, this video does not just apply to NFT art finance. Through the contract address, you could buy any coin, but in this case, we are gonna have a look at NFT art finance. And by the way, I'm a big fan and also investor in NFT art finance. And if you want to know the latest news on this coin, well, this is the channel, because I make video updates as soon as any news comes out, so that you're always up to date. So the way to do it, you open CoinMarketCap. Now CoinMarketCap is, there you have it. So let's start actually from the very beginning. So that's what you would have. This is the main page on CoinMarketCap. So you would click on the magnifying glass for search, and then you would enter NFT, and you see it's the first one, NFT art finance. So you click on it and you would scroll down and find this Binance Smart Chain, and that is the address. And there is also the copy button that you would hit, so it's copied on the clipboard of the mobile. And with that, and by the way, like I said, you could do exactly the same for any other coin, and you just find this address on websites sometimes. For example, Bonfire coin, you would do the same. You would just look on their website. So then you close CoinMarketCap because you don't need it anymore at this point. So the next thing is to click on the D apps. So that will be the second app at the bottom. And by the way, I'm on Android. Maybe it looks a little bit different on Apple, but you want to click on the apps, which is basically, you will see all these apps that you can access through the Trust Wallet. Now, what you want to find by scrolling down is Pancake Swap. Another option is, if you are not bothered and you just want to find Pancake Swap, just use the search bar. So pancake, and it's not working because I misspelled it. Okay, so just go scroll down and you will find Pancake Swap because it's one of the most popular. And actually it's the one at the very top. So you would just click on it, and that's Pancake Swap. Now, you see that it's exchanging BNB, and it's not just a normal BNB. Those are smart contract coin. And so you want to now turn smart chain coins into NFT art finance. So you paste the address that you got from CoinMarketCap. You enter the address and you see that the first thing that appears is Nftart Finance, because each and all coins are attached to a contract. And so you click on Nftart Finance, which for some reason, well, it will be selectable. I selected it earlier. But as you can see, you have from BNB to Nftart Finance. Now, at this point, finally works. You can't I cannot do it because I don't have enough smart chain. And so the next thing to do is to actually change the slippage, because we are actually looking at buying coins with very low liquidity. And so to do that, and by the way, in terms of slippage, I'm gonna show you on the mobile, it has to be quite high. So we're gonna change it and put it down to 10, 11, 12. Let's go 11. It's very high, to be honest, but that's the only way to ensure basically the purchase with Nftart Finance and also Bonfire, for example. And then you would just set it, you would just first of all hit this icon here, which is the settings, and then change it to 11 and then close it. And then at this point, you would set the amount that you want to exchange. In this case, I don't even have enough to make any change. That's what you would do here at the top. And then you would click on buy. That's the end of it, basically. Thanks to this, you'd be able to buy. You can tailor this strategy, this way of placing orders for any coin. Literally, there is no limitation whatsoever. It can be for small coins and also maybe even bigger coins, but this is a bit clunky. For bigger coins, there is no need for you to actually turn it into Binance coins. The alternative is, if a coin is listed on Binance, well, you just buy through Binance. And so go ahead and actually make yourself a Binance account using the link in the description below, so that you actually save on the trading fees, 10%, right? Actually, I need to be honest, I will also save 10% on the trading fees if you use the link in the description below. So the both of us will actually get something out of this. And by the way, I'm a big fan and also investor in Nftart Finance. And if you want to know the latest news on this coin, well, this is the channel, because I make video updates as soon as any news comes out, so that you're always up to date. And if you are into Nftart Finance, watch this video. The video on the screen right now are the latest news on Nftart Finance. So click on the video.